Here we go with SINA, which is gapping down 62.52 at 60.33, 60.56. This is a weekly chart. Now it's gapping down $2. Okay. So the high of the weekly bar on 1/8 of 2012 was 60.95. The current bid and ask live right here is slightly below the weekly high breakout bar. What will happen is that the 10-week moving average has a short-term base to that weekly breakout bar that is being showing herein. Support level is defined in price action. Now, what we will be monitoring will be various price structure levels. What will those levels be? Those levels will be the following. And we'll go over here to a trend tool, and we'll start looking at where some of these top wicks were at resistance in the actual 1 week of 2012, where it was put in a bottom end, but then rallied on up with the broader bull market and has come back to test that 10-week moving average. Now, granted, it's very bad when the red line 20-week crosses over the 100-week. That's not a good story. And yes, it's been in a deeply weekly sell signal for a long time. So what we're going to be looking for is the bid and ask, and we are going to go below the price market of around 57.65 for a limit order with a $1.30 profit objective off a support level, and we will set the alarm level because we're going to measure that lower end of support that you would bounce and that 10-week moving average right here. And it's live, MMT. So I'm going to give you the 10-week moving average, and that's going to be at 62.15. That's right here. That's the one we're going to focus on. That's where that last print was on it yesterday. Okay, another thing we're going to focus on is what would the sell, what would the short, how would that, if we break these key bars and we start closing on a intraday level below that 10-week moving average, stop market orders would get triggered, run it down here to the 200-week moving average, which is around 53.73. That's where its lower support level is. If we start to get a sell program through the 10-week moving average, stop market orders would be taken out. That would support your short entry with your short entry debit profits. Be on the lookout. We are going to give a bounce on it at 57 and some change. We're going to monitor the weekly breakout high, and does that hold that this price level as support in the short term?